Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Aztec Info. Today I'm introduce a base app in 2020. You can make a professional image. In this video, I'm gonna show you how does Faceapp work. Let's start. Russian companies made the Faceapp program that are using to machine learning and algorithm for giving a filter in your face to old age. By this technology, they are using to Snapchat, Instagram, and their face. If you take photo in this app and upload to server using the algorithm make older in your face, what is the difference with the Snapchat and Instagram in Faceapp? To Faceapp, Snapchat and Instagram use the algorithm filter in your phone with offline, but Faceapp sends your image in server. By saying chip of Faceapp, if we use the picture in Faceapp, mobile couldn't do that. In this reason, Faceapp need to high processing power, but mobile couldn't do that. The controversy: some tweet to Faceapp send your image in server and access all your mobile data. Response: this Faceapp only upload photo you choose, doesn't upload all your photo in your mobile. Most upload image are deleted with 48 hours. And no data shared to Russia. Faceapp used ABC and Google Class. Faceapp company used to American server. How to make a professional image in Faceapp? Go to Faceapp, choose the photo. Which photo do you like that? Choose the smile. I'm gonna give it a smile on my face. And give to some bird on my face. Faceapp need to high internet. Give the glass and change the background. Choose to this gleam and give to tattoos on my face. And my picture is ready. There's a lot of tattoos. Which tattoo you like that, you choose it. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends. See you next guys. Peace out.